What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video. So today we're just preparing a little drink just to build your immune system and also to help you to lose some of that weight. I know a lot of persons now are trying to go through a weight loss journey from being locked down with COVID and everything, not being able to go to the gym. And the truth is, some people can't find enough time in the day to go to the gym. So at home you can do your little workout, but there are also some things like this video that I'm showing you today that can help you to cut down some of that belly fat. I know it's stubborn, yeah? So myself, I've also gained a few pounds and I'm working on that as well, so you guys can just come along on this journey with us and we will show you some of the stuff that we use inside our home just to help us to keep healthy and to be on the safe side. So today we'll be blending our cucumber with ginger. I will be adding just a touch of spirulina in it. So like I said, it's helps to build your immune system as well as it will reduce fat. So before the end of this video, we'll be giving you some of the health benefits of the ingredients that we'll be using. And just before you guys go, if you're new, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Remember to like this video, leave your comments down below. If you're seeing results, put it in the comments below that others may also come on board and use this same remedy. So home remedy is good. You don't always have to buy stuff online or try some products that you don't know. The things that we use daily in our homes can help us to lose weight. So we're just going to get right into it. I'm going to prepare the cucumber and the ginger and I'll show you the blend and then you guys will get the health benefits. So don't leave until you find the benefits of these ingredients. And thank you guys so much for joining our journey, and remember, the journey continues. So now that we have our cucumber and the ginger chopped, I'm going to get some water into the blender, and we won't be using the tap water, we'll be using purified water. So you can use purified water, spring water, alkaline water, just to reduce the amount of chlorine that is in the water coming from the pipe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to stick around for the health benefits of the ingredients in this drink.